Good afternoon and welcome to Mr. Ong Maths Lesson once again. Today we're going to do a revision for the Year 9 and Year 10 exam, and we'll look at fraction. Okay, these are some of the questions that occur quite often in the Year 9, Year 10 exam, and we shall look at each and every one of them. The first question is evaluate 4 1/4, take away 1 5/9. The easiest way to do is use the calculator. I have a calculator beside me. So what you did is going to be 4 1/4. So 4 1/4 is written as 4 1/4. Take away 1 5/9. Put in your calculator, and the answer is 97/36. Very simple. 97/36. But because the question is a mixed number, you have to change it to the mixed number. So it's going to be 225/36. So how you get 36 times 2 is 72. 72 plus 25 is going to be 97. So that's how you get the first one. That's 1 mark in the exam. Next one. The next one, find 3/4 of 500. In mathematics, of means multiply. So the trick is that you put 3/4 multiply by 500. Put in your calculator. So 3/4 multiply by 500. Put in your calculator, and the answer is going to be $375. Don't forget your dollar sign. Okay, we carry on now. Okay, now the next number is express 34/9 as a mixed number fraction. So what you do, the first thing you do, you divide 34 by 9, and the answer is 3.7. So 3 is the whole number, so 3 times 9 is 27. 27 to get 34, there's another 7 more, so 7/9, and that will be the next mark. Not too bad, right? Okay, now we do the last question in this page. So now there were 63 students in a squash club. If 2/3 of them are boys, how many students are boys? So 2/3 of them are boys, so it will be 2/3 of 63. As I mentioned earlier, of means you multiply 2/3 times 63, put in your calculator, and the answer is going to be 42. Make sure, because they ask you how many boys, you must answer 42 boys. Okay, let's go to page 2 now. Page 2 is getting a harder word problem, and we shall look at it now. Okay, so now the question is, Hone spent 2/5 of his money on food, 1/4 on clothes. So 2/5 on food and 1/4 on clothes. So when you add these two, food and clothes, so you get 2/5 plus 1/4, you're going to get 13/20. 13/20 on both food and clothes. So he are left with $63 left. So when he spent 13/20, he's 1 minus 13/20. So he is left with 7/20. So 7/20 is equal to $63. So 1/20 is equal to 63 divided by 7 is going to be $9, because the whole thing initial amount is 20/20. So it's going to be $9 times 20, and the answer is $180, and that is 2 marks in the exam. Good. We shall now proceed to the next word problem. This is a lot easier. Pam bought 5 kg of flour. She used 1/4 to bake a cake. How many kg she left? So she used 1/4, so she left with 3/4 of 5 kg. So again, the word of means in maths you multiply 3/4 times 5, and the answer is 3.75 kilogram. Make sure don't forget the unit for every question you do. We have done 2 questions now, and we shall look at the 2 hardest questions, which is the word problem. Okay. So the next question is, okay, have a read first. Paul earned $600 after tax. He spent 1/3 of the money he earned on his accessories for the car. He spent 1/5 on the food and 1/8 on entertainment. And he banks the rest. So very simple. You add all the 3 fractions. Okay, so 1/3 plus 1/5 plus 1/8. Use the calculator. 1/3 plus 1/5 plus 1/8, and that will come up to 79/120. So if he banks the rest, So the full is 1 minus 79 over 120. So he will bank 21 over 120. So to get the amount he banked, you need to multiply that with 600 because initially he earned 600. Put in a calculator. So 21 out of 120 multiply by 600, and your answer is going to be $105. No, sorry again. So 21, no, it's not 21 actually, it's 41, okay? 41, my mistake. For 41 out of 120 times 600, and you're going to get $205. So 1 minus this will be 41, not 21, and that will give you a 2 marks in the exam. Okay, the last one is very common exam. Mommy baked a cake, so the whole cake is 1 whole. I ate 2/5. I ate, okay? My sister ate 2/9 of the remainder. So if I ate 2/5, remainder is going to be 3/5. Remainder of the cake will be 3/5. So my sister is going to eat 2/9 of 3/5. Okay? So 2/9 of 3/5, again, 2/9 times 3/5 is going to be 6 over 45, or simplify them is 2 over 15. So I ate 2/5, my sister ate 2/15. So together we have eaten 2/5 plus 2/15. Put in your calculator. So 2/5 plus 2 over 15 is going to be 8 over 15. So both of us ate 8 over 15. So the question is, what fraction of the cake remains? So 1 minus 8 over 15. So we are left with 7 over 15. And that will give you 2 marks. Keep practicing, and before long, you'll be an expert in fraction. Enjoy learning and keep studying hard.